Wait for it to focus, wait for it to focus. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and we got the man, the myth, the legend, David got kicks in the building. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are bringing you a brand new Cheap Finds Friday. Happy Friday, everybody.
Whoa.
This is the first video of 2021. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Wow, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah. I hope everybody had a great New Year's Eve, New Year, whatever you guys are doing. Maybe drop your New Year's resolution down below in the comment section. Right now we're pulling up to Burlington and Marshall's, and we're gonna see what we can find. Let's get it and let's go. First stop, Burlington. Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
So the day that we're filming this is December 30th, 2 days before the New Year's.
Yes.
We're checking out to see if they have any New Year's specials. So usually at this mall they have good deals, but they might even have better deals during this time. When you skip leg day.
Dude, I was gonna say that. I literally was gonna say that.
Dude, okay, you can have it, you can have it.
Okay, cut.
Yeah?
When you skip leg day, that was funnier. Dude, I can't tell if you're smiling or not with that mask.
Look at this find right here. David found these Jordan 3s. I don't know what colorway this is. It looks like a painting, maybe?
They're fake.
They're fake paintings? 10 doll hairs if you guys are trying to grab this one. Burlington at Great Mall. Oh, hey, buddy. Yo, they actually got some fire here. Forrest Gump Cortez's, size 4. What's the price? Can we get a price check? 40 doll hairs. Comparable value, 70 bucks. These are pretty sick, man.
You
Ah.
versus the guy she told you not to worry about.
Gah.
This is me.
That's you?
Yeah.
Dude, don't do that, man. These are one of the most comfortable Nikes in my opinion. I mean, you found some Jordan 8. Look at these. The colorway is a woman's Aqua 8 colorway, but they do have a different sole. These ones have a Zoom 0 sole. I've never seen this before. And these are 50 doll hairs. Worth it? Not really. But if they were the woman's colorway of the 8s, that probably would be a cop. I'm gonna skedaddle this way, see if I can find anything while David's going through those racks. This is what I miss doing, man. I miss going out and just finding stuff. It seems like the stores were really low on inventory for the past couple months, but now it seems super stocked up. I mean, you could see the store right here. There's a lot of stuff. Hopefully we find some more good stuff here. So far, found a couple gems. If we could flip any of these, I will let you guys know. That's the main goal of today. Find some steals and deals that we could flip, make some extra money on, and take you guys on the adventure with us. To infinity and beyond. We're approaching the men's section now. We're gonna find something. We gotta speak it into existence. Asics? I used to have these. I don't know the collab. Interesting. We're in the crazy size section. Oh, those are fire. I like those ones. We got some Nike pinwheel sweatpants right here. These are pretty cool. These are size small. The retail price on this pair is $75 here straight from Nike, but today we could grab them for only 25 bucks. So if you're able to flip these for maybe 60 bucks, you could get a quick profit in. This might be a good one to flip. I don't know. Brand new. Has the embroidery, nice little design going on the side. Might have to be a cop for this one. All right, made up my mind on these. I'm going to cop. David found these, so he's letting me scoop these ones
You're
up.
buying these?
Yeah.
If I wanted them, where could I pick them up?
Shopsotopia.com, baby. Thanks. What'd you just find, my good sir?
Found some track pants from Nike. Pretty cool. Blue, bright colors.
I think that green is like so bright that's making it look white on camera.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 25 bucks, retail 65 on these ones, so decent amount of profit on this pair.
They look like they'd be like some genie pants on me, dude.
Yeah, they do.
Look, like just...
Yeah.
It looks like you're sagging.
A little bit. Freaking boxers on top, dude. Man, I ended up waiting in that line for so long, but I ended up getting another piece. David was scouting the area while I was waiting in line, so shout out to David. He found a super dope crew neck. That line was brutal.
Yeah, it looked.
That was crazy. All right, y'all. Next stop, Marshall's. I think it's getting a little later now. Oh my God, we have lighting. Marshall's. I mean, if it was back in the day, my mom was buying me shoes, and we only had $20 to spend, I really wouldn't mind these. You get boost. These are probably super comfortable. I mean, the colorway isn't crazy. Black, white, and gold. Tried looking how much these go for, and they sell for about like 45 bucks on eBay right now, but I don't know. That's a really risky one, but $20 if you're looking for a new pair of shoes, it's not a bad price. Thing was drier than a Sahara Desert. We're gonna go inside the mall now, see what else we could find. Let's go. Next up, Nike. You know, this jacket goes kind of crazy. It looks very simple, but all the silver hits are all 3M. And look, it matches David's fit perfectly with the silver bullets. Nike Air on the back, bro, that's sauce.
Dude, metallic 5s with this.
Metallic 5s. Yeah. It's $90 though, and the original retail price is $150. That's crazy, but this is pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Would I cop? For like 40 I would, but not for 90. I've never seen these before, but they look so interesting. Like even the midsole, they feel super chalky and super rough. Look at how rugged it looks on the padding for the collar. It looks like they just cut it. These are 160 bucks though. How's the Nike factory looking for y'all? It's always dry out here at the Great Mall. I don't know. It's always hard to find stuff. Okay, dude, you want your camera time. I get it. You want attention.
I just miss it how it used to be, you know?
What do you mean?
The good old days. Cause like after I hit like 1 million followers, it just hasn't been the same, you know?
Oh my. Dude, that is a clean tee. What does that mean?
Los zapatos más frescos. Pretty much.
The shoes are fresh?
The shoes, the most fresh shoes, pretty much.
Damn. Dude, that is a sick t-shirt. Soul Food. 40?
$20.
$20? Do they have my size?
They don't have 4X.
Fuck off. Ended up getting that tee from Nike as a personal. Couldn't pass that one up. Quick shout out to Puma. They always show love. And look at this, $20 for some Puma suedes. Honestly, bro, if you want shoes for a good deal, Puma suedes. These things are super comfortable and you can rock them with anything. We're hitting up Ross right here. Things are about to close, so we're trying to make this one quick for you guys. Hopefully make this video long enough. So if you guys enjoyed this video so far, hit that like button and let's go and find something in Ross. What in the world am I looking at right now? Levi Jordan 1 collab, Shadow Ones. We used to find a lot of stance socks here, but man, it's dry. Last stop of the day, TJ Maxx. Guys, we're really trying in this one. Sorry if we don't find anything. I'm glad you guys are hanging out with us today. But let's pray we find something. Found some pretty cool MTV Champion merch. Damn, only $10 compared to 28 bucks. That's not bad. Champion tees feel real good. I've always liked Champion because of the quality of their stuff, especially the reverse weave. So we got some Champion tees here. Not something that I would personally flip. Color's kind of out there, but if it was maybe a black t-shirt, would have been a little bit easier. Yo, chill with the True Religions. Dude, I swear these were maybe like 200 bucks or something back then. Now they're like 50 here. If you guys could feel this, I mean, can you hear it? Dude, it feels so weird. $39 here, right? Original retail price. Go ahead, go ahead. 300. God. David with the quick toaster find. Look at this. Darth Vader in your toast, all ingrained. I wonder if it toasts the whole toast or if it's just, is it just that? Let's see if it goes for money. I don't think so. You never know. Damn, David, your shoes are busting right now. Look at that. Look at the light. It's just so shiny. To wrap everything up, I'm going to show you guys the quick pickups that we got today. We only have a few items, but I think we came up on some pretty good stuff. So the first thing is a personal. This was the Soul Food t-shirt from the Nike factory. Look at that. This thing is super sick, and we only paid $20 for this tee. So original retail price, 30 bucks. As a personal, I am going to rock this, and this is super nice, so you can't go wrong with that. The next piece was the Nike Swoosh Pinwheel track pants. These are super nice, have embroidery on the top right here. The cool thing about it is that the retail is $75, and we got it for the low price of 25 bucks. So this one's a size small. It will be on the website shopsotopia.com, and I think my most favorite pickup out of the bunch has to be this crew neck that David found. This honestly would have been a personal pickup if it was my size, but this one is a medium. The original retail price is 95 clammy clams on this, and we got it for 25 bucks. So you'll see this one on this site. We got a few nice pickups to start off 2021. Let me know what you guys think about these pickups in the comment section down below. And if you guys enjoy the Cheap Finds Friday videos, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to check out the homie David's channel in the link down below in the description. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.